Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to create a Facebook page in a quick and simple way. Open the Facebook app. Then tap on the three lines menu in the top right corner if you're on Android, or bottom right if you're on iPhone. Tap on Pages. If you don't see it right away, tap See More to find it. Next tap Create at the top, and select Get Started. Enter a name for your page. This will be how people find you. Once you've done that, tap Next. Now choose a category that best fits your page. This helps Facebook recommend it to the right people. When you're ready, tap Create. At this point, choose whether you want to promote your products or services or create content and connect with fans, then tap Continue. Now it's time to personalize your page. Add a profile and cover photo to make it stand out, and tap Next. Tap Next again. Tap Done, and your Facebook page is ready for the world.